Hello everyone, welcome back. I am David Lewis with another Motivational Monday message. Success guru Dennis Waitley has changed thousands of lives for the better by sharing his wisdom with others who desire happiness and success in life. One of my favorite bits of Waitley wisdom goes like this. Happiness cannot be traveled to, owned, earned, worn, or consumed. Happiness is the spiritual experience of living every minute with love, grace, and gratitude. You see, having an attitude of gratitude is a powerful secret that most really successful people recognize as a big part of their success story. You will never be happy in life until you are grateful for what you already have, be it large or small, admired or desired by others, or just whatever hand life has dealt you that you have to live with or overcome until you get the victory you desire. So, what are you thankful for today? Your family, your health, your job, your career potentials? Maybe it's the fact that you are still in the game and able to have this day to change your future potential for your life. How did it go for you last week? Good, bad, somewhere in between? Well, guess what? Today is the next opportunity you have to make it better, and that is something you should be grateful for and thankful for. Life is a challenge, but you are not alone in that challenge. Only you can determine your success. So, be grateful for the good things in your life and let that be your springboard to happiness and success.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.